for Bel Mariano? Super excited! That is so great to know. Maraming salamat everyone for showing up for Bel Mariano because today we are gonna have more than just fun, a lot of exciting things, and syempre, meron tayo mga real life stories from beauty queens and your favorites. So far, kamusta naman po ang inyong experience sa ating very beautifully scented event?
Very fun, very vibrant, very juicy.
Sa mga gustong gumawa ng anik-anik, come here guys. Madami pa dyan, oh.
Jenny, ano yung scent na hawak-hawak mo dyan? Yung blue kasi icy and cool, just like you. Nandyan po yung mga pabango natin. You can get them, pwede nyo silang amuyin. And syempre, you have to take photos dito sa ating napakagandang mirror selfie. Of inspiring messages sa kanilang Bloom and Inspire wall. Join us here inside pagkatapos po ng program natin. Juicy Cologne Capture and Shine Photo Booth. Napakaganda ng pictures dito. Naka-picture na po ba ang lahat? Great to know, marami rin tayong mga pagkain, sips and treats. And of course, lahat ng yan ay pinlano para mag-enjoy kayong lahat. Familiar po ba kayo sa larong Family Feud? We will present 3 questions, and for each question, your goal is to give 1 correct answer that you think is among the top 3 responses from our survey. So, let's begin the Family Feud Juicy Cologne edition. Question number 1. What comes to mind when you think of Juicy Cologne?
Fresh.
Fresh. Napakaganda ng sagot mo. Let's find out if fresh is on the board. Top 1! Aba, may paganon. Palaban nga naman talaga. Thank you so much and congratulations. You have an exclusive signed poster from Bel and of course, a gift pack.
My name is Jolo and I'm from Believers, and for me, it would be sweet.
Uy, kanina fresh, tapos ngayon sweet. Tingnan natin if it's up on the board for question number 1. Oh my gosh, top 2 talaga! Ayan, you have an exclusive signed poster and gift pack. What is the crowd's favorite Juicy Cologne scent?
Sweet delight.
Sweet Delights. Let's see if it's up on the board. That's my favorite. And, yes, of course, top 1 pa talaga.
Your sweet